John Portman, sports reporter with the Villager and the Courier here. The College Park girls soccer team took a 3-0 victory over Conroe tonight at Wood Forest Bank Stadium. The Lady Cavaliers got goals from Maria Rossi, Sammy Mount, and Casey Rao. With the victory, College Park moves into sole possession of 4th place in District 14 5A. After the game, I caught up with Lady Cavaliers coach Meredith Cook.
I think it's important every night to go out and play hard. We knew coming in that we needed to win. We need to win every night, and we had a great game against Oak Ridge. Score, of course, didn't fall our way, but we had a lot of momentum. They played really hard, and so I'm really glad to see that. I feel like we actually carried the momentum from one game to the next, finally. We came out, we were ready to play. We were ready after our game last weekend, and we just knew we were ready to come out and take care of business, put some balls in the back of the net, which we weren't able to do last Friday. We just finally have everything working. Everything, the passes were falling, the balls were coming across. We had great shots. We were following everything we had. We just put ourselves in a good position. We were pressuring hard, and we were playing with a lot of fire and intensity, and it finally equated to the goals that we've been waiting for all season, I think.